Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So we have a brand new community course that has just come out. It is Master High Level for Beginners by Carly Meyers, or with Carly Meyers. So when you get a chance, jump in and check it out. The idea here is pretty simple, but we've introduced a new comprehensive beginner course from esteemed affiliate and level up speaker Carly Meyers. Curriculum spans every major element of both agency and sub-account views, and even high-level entrepreneurial growth mindset training. Why this course? It's super easy. This is a really strong swing at a broadly sort of demystifying the platform as a whole and giving users not just a solid tech understanding, which is important, of course, but just as important, and sometimes more so, I think, a business perspective as well. It's sort of like a frame in which to implement more confidently. It covers every major product area with a holistic and long-term vision for building a complete business on High Level, in contrast to other playbooks that are kind of focal on one feature or another. With more feature-specific content coming down the pipe soon, of course, this is the right time to have a solid all-around foundation and kick off your 2026 right. So when you get a chance, obviously jump in and check it out. You can't miss it. And again, High Level, it's just hluniversity.gohighlevel.com. And if you're already there, it should already show up and you should see it right there, ready for you and ready to go. So anyhow, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Thursday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.